Alright, today I want to talk about the Neewer tripod M225, and it comes with the Neewer CK30 Ballhead. Alright, well, as you can see, it's pretty beefy for a small little tripod. And the main reason I got it was because of how thick it is and sturdy, and telescopes a little bit. But to the height that I would need to do some of these videos with my GoPro attached. Right now I have a little Manfrotto one, does a telescope, but with a Joby stick on it. But it wobbles a little bit, it's not sturdy. So at its smallest scale, it is just shy of 9 inches. About a 1/4 inch shy of 9 inches. It does go out. You can adjust this. So that's the max height, which is 17 inches, which is more than enough for what I need. And one little happy thing is this ball head does come off. Oops. And the nice thing is, if you can get my hands in here, there we go. It's reversible. So this comes out, and then you can put it in upside down and hang your camera from the bottom, of course with these elevated. Put this back together. It is sturdy. It does have 3 sections, so it can go pretty low, which I like also. See that way. So that's the second elevation, and this of course has to go up to get to the lowest, and then you can lower this for even more support in the middle. But that's pretty good low profile for a little tripod. Now my only problem with this tripod is the ball head is a little shaky. I'll show you. And it's not because it's loose in here, it's up here. And you can probably hear it a little bit. A little bit closer. It does have a little play. It's not too annoying if you're just going to use it for a tabletop. But it's built, it's all anodized aluminum. You can't tighten or loosen these. I mean, it's in there pretty good. It just has a little bit too much play for my taste. But I do have other ball heads. I have 2 Dolicas. I have one on my tripod right now. And you got an Andover. It's a little beefier. And I have the adapter threads to go from 1/4 to 3/8. And with this is really nice and beefy. But overall, I think this was like $34 on Amazon. But I like it. It's beefy. It'll hold my D850 with the grip. And the lens, of course. It's about 6-7 pounds. And does a pretty good job, and so far I'm happy with it. So I'll put the link on Amazon if you're interested. Alright, take it easy.